Hello everyone, welcome to the Soft PLC installation guide video. So first, let's talk about what is the Soft PLC and the CODESYS integration into the SMP gateway. Uh, the SMP gateway used the standard IEC 61131-3 Soft PLC from CODESYS to integrate PLC function. So with this implementation, you can access data points in real time into our real-time database to create sophisticated control functions using any of the following programming techniques like instruction list, IL, structured text, function block, CFC, ladder, and SFC. So if you want to create those environment, you need to go into SMP config and then instantiate a new soft PLC instance, and then you're going to be able to access this CODESYS environment. So we're going to go through all steps on how to install this environment in the following demonstration. So let's first start with the CODESYS 70R2, which is the current version on the SMP gateway. So you can mount the ISO file, or you can just extract it with a WinZip or any software you want to use. So let's start with the PC Workbench and launch this installer. Okay, so let's click Next to install. Say yes. Let's install in this folder. Okay, so let's select what we want to install. So if you're using a previous version of CODESYS, like version 2.3, I recommend that you keep those converter installed and the gateway 2.3. But in my case, I don't need them, so I know I won't upgrade from I think SMP Gateway 6.0 version we're using 2.3. But since version 7, we're using version 3. So let's uncheck this. I don't need an OPC server, and I don't need the 2.3, and I don't need the Control Win version 3 because we don't use that in our product. So let's select those options and click Next. Okay, so let's proceed now with the installation of the library, SMP library and device specific to the CODESYS before you can do any operation with the SMP gateway. So let's first launch the CODESYS 3.5 that we just installed. So double click on the CODESYS 3.5 SP2 and let's wait for launch. So the launch is completed. So what now we want to do is go into the library repository and install our SMP library. So click on library, repository. Okay, so I got the library repository right here. So I'm going to click install and go into my desktop and where is install my PC, my CODESYS ISO file. So I'm going to go into PC gateway 70R2 and then select the SMP lib library, which is this file. Make sure that you select the correct filter here at the bottom because sometimes the compile library is selected by default. So make sure you select the library file, which is a .library, and double click. And now I should be able to see, oh, just wait a couple seconds where it's installed. All right, so I see now my SMP lib is now installed under common SMP lib, and it's all done. Let's close. Now what I want to do is install the device. So I will go into Tools, Device Repository, and let's do an install. So I'm going to go and select, same thing, same emplacement. I'm going to go into the CODESYS 720R2 PC gateway, and I'm going to select the device that I need to interact with. So in my case, I'm going to want to do something with the SG 4000, let's say 4250 or 4260. So I'm going to select this and select install. So this ends our short video on how to install the CODESYS Workbench. I would like to thank you for watching this video. I invite you to watch our next video on how to quickly integrate a soft PLC program in the SMP Gateway platform. On behalf of Ethan, I would like to thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support for more information.